Good afternoon, Panthers. Today I'm playing at 12 during the day. So I want to try some luck here, guys. We are going to go very higher. I have 300 rand. So we're going to go a very higher amount today, guys. I'm going to go with 15 rand in hot fruit. And let's see how much with 15 rand are we going to grab here in Hollywood Bet. I'm gonna make a free spins. Let's start with 200 rand, but I'm gonna stop it as I get the profit. So let's see how much we're gonna get with 15 rand in Hollywood, not Hollywood Bet. I'm in Betway, so I'm playing hot in Betway. So let's see how much we can make, guys. And if you are a new member in this channel, kindly support the channel by subscribing, and let's hope for the big wins here in Betway with 15 rand buy. Look at those sevens, if and only if it was hot there, guys. Look at those sevens again, guys. If it was hot, it was going to be massive. It was going to be massive. Okay. Oh, look at the bar there. Yes baby, we finally got the future, guys, with 15 rand buy. Let's see if it can pay us, because we need a payment. Let it be a payday, guys. Today we are risking very high with a very highest today. I guess you are surprised that master is going with 15 rand in whole Betway. And if you are a new member, guys, kindly support the channel by subscribing. We normally give away the vouchers here when we go live. You can be, yes baby, we got sevens. Let it be hot, let it be hot. Can it be hot now, please? Guys, can it be hot? Only once, one more. Yes baby, it's hot. Yes baby, it's hot. Let's see what will happen there, guys. It's hot with 15 rand. I just went straight to the bonus. I just went with 15 rand. I just went straight where I wanted. Let's see how much I'm going to get with 15 rand, guys. I'm very happy about my timing. I was in timing. I used timing there. I'm on 1k. We're on 1155. Let me allow it to spin a little bit. Maybe we can still get something decent. I don't know. Maybe we can still get something, but I'm gonna stop it when it's 1k, guys. Okay. All right. I couldn't get. I'm gonna stop it, guys. I'm running away with a profit here. Let's run away with a profit, guys. Let me just try to spin it with a 3 rand because I have 990. So I just double my price. That's so nice, guys. What do you think? Let's just let me just do a spin now, normal spins. Let me see if I can, because I wanted to take 1k, guys. Actually I wanted to take 1k. Maybe I can get something. Oh, look at the sevens again, if and only if it was hot. If you are a new member, guys, and you haven't subscribed, look at this, guys, again with 3 rand point 75. We just made it. Let's see if we can grab something good here. Okay, what a comeback, guys. I think this is what a comeback on Hollywood Bet. Let it be hot. Let it be hot. Let it be hot. Let it be hot again. Let it be hot. Yeah, we are on 1k, guys. I'm gonna let it be hot, guys. Let it be hot. I wish it can be hot. And yes, it's hot again, baby. And one more they are added. Okay, that's nice. It can be a big win. We have a big win, guys. I'm playing at 12 right now. Wow, this is so nice. This is so nice. Okay, let it be hot again and give more stuff there, guys. If you are a new member, kindly support this channel by subscribing. And then when you subscribe, the nice thing is that when we go live, you can stand a chance to win a voucher. To win a voucher, the only thing that you need to do, you must be active in the channel. I always nominate randomly, but I check if you have won, your turn can come again. But there are those people whereby they are supporting the channel too much, and you find that like they win random too many times. But there, I make sure that I give away vouchers to different people so that all of you guys, you can enjoy. So let's see how much we have here. Okay guys, I'm on 1140. This is a very big win, guys. I've done it well today on Friday, so I'm very happy about my playing games. So now when we have won like this, guys, what do? We run away. We do what? We run away, guys. So I'm gonna run away with 1100, and then I'm going to leave 13 rand here in Betway because I want to bet soccer tomorrow. So sometimes I get lucky when I bet soccer, I do win. If you would love me to share my tickets with you of soccer, let me know in the comment section. I will give it to you. And then I'm also planning to show you guys how I don't know soccer too much, but I win on soccer because I have strategies that I used when I bet soccer. So I check. There is something that I normally prefer to play soccer in Betway. So thank you guys, and thank you for subscribing. Bye.